Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what are the journaling suggestions on your iPhone 16e. So the journaling suggestions that can be disabled, and I'm gonna show you later how to do it in case you don't want to use them. They just analyze what do you do in your day, and based on that you can write journals with these suggestions. And in order to use them, you need to go to the journal app, then just start journaling. You can turn on the journaling suggestions, and your data stays private and is only saved on your phone locally. It's not sent to any servers, so that's great. I'm gonna turn on these suggestions. You can allow notifications from journaling suggestions, so it'll automatically notify you whenever it thinks that it's great to write a journal now. I'm gonna allow them. And now here you can see the recommended or recent moments. And you have some suggestions. Now I don't have any because I have just I don't have any personal suggestions because I just enabled it. But once it's enabled, it'll just analyze your data, and based on that it can give you some suggestions, but it still gives you a reflection suggestions, like write about something great in your life that you don't always think about, or something else. You can also regenerate them, I think, or maybe not. Okay, I'm just gonna click on done. Yes, you can generate it. You can see the recent moments. You can see a certain photo on which, based on, you can write something. So if you were on a trip or in the cinema or somewhere else where you've taken a photo, it'll suggest you them, so you can do that based on these thing, and you can start writing about it or save without writing as just your video or photo memories, and later on you can just go back to them in your journal. That's pretty great. But if you don't want these recommendations, then you can go to the settings, and in the settings you can just simply go to General, Privacy and Security, sorry, it's not in General, it's just here. And then you can go to Journaling Suggestions, and now you can turn off all or turn on certain things that it'll just base your suggestions on. So your workouts and exercise, the media that you play, the contacts that you call, photos that you have, significant locations where you spend a lot of time, also state of mind if you log your moods and emotions, because you can do that I think on the Apple Watch. I don't know if you can do it. I think you also can do it on iPhone in the Health app. Then you can also clear the history, reflect prompts, prioritize moments with contacts, and you can also change the suggestion notification settings. And if you want to turn off all the journaling suggestions, just click on turn off all, and it will be turned off. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.